Now we'll study the side chain of amino acids. So there are 20 amino acids. The first is glycine, whose symbol is GLY, and its structure contains the R group is hydrogen here. Rest group are amine and carboxylic acid, and the fourth group is hydrogen. So the R group is hydrogen here. Now the second is alanine. Here the change is the R group is CH3. Rest groups are same. The carbon atoms is attached to NH2 and COH and hydrogen, and the R group is CH3 and its symbol is ALA. Next is valine. Valine, the symbol is VAL, and here the R group is carbon attached to two methyl groups, and the carbon is attached to amine and carboxylic acid and hydrogen. So the R group is this group. And next is leucine. Its symbol is LEU, and the R group is C. Carbon atom is attached to another carbon atom, which is further attached to ethyl group CH2CH3, and here also CH2CH3. This is leucine. And next is isoleucine, and its symbol is ILE. And here the R group, the side chain group is CCH3, and it is attached to an ethyl group also. So one here is methyl group, here is ethyl group, and this carbon is attached to amine and COH and hydrogen. So this is isoleucine. So you can see that alanine, here CH3 is the R group. Then valine, here CH3 is the R group. Here leucine, the R group is CH2CH3, and isoleucine CH3, and next is phenylalanine, whose symbol is PHE, and here the side chain is this CH2 and phenyl, pH is phenyl. And next is tyrosine, whose symbol is TYR, and here the R group is this whole group. This is CH2, this is phenyl group, and this is attached to hydroxy group. So this is the tyrosine. Also you can see alanine, the R group is CH3, and phenylalanine, the R group is one hydrogen atom of the methyl group is replaced by phenyl group. So therefore phenylalanine. Next is tryptophan. Here the symbol is TRP. The basic structure is this, and the R group is this whole group, CH2, and here this selected portion is indole. Benzene ring. This is 5-membered ring, nitrogen. Heterocyclic ring is this, and it is attached to hydrogen. So this is an indole group. And next is serine, whose symbol is SER, and here the R group is CH2OH, and the basic structure is of serine is this. Now the threonine, whose symbol is THR, and the group is R group is this CH2CH, who is attached to hydroxy group and methyl group, and this is, and the starred carbon are achiral carbon. Now the cysteine group. Here the R group is CH2SH. Thiol group is attached, and its symbol is CYS. Now methionine, its symbol is MET, and the R group is CH2SME. Me is methyl. So this is methionine. Now histidine. Histidine symbol is HIS, and its structure contains R group as CH2, which is attached to imidazole. Imidazole has a 5-member ring in which two nitrogen atoms are there, and one nitrogen atom is attached to hydrogen atom. Next is lysine, whose symbol is LYS, and the R group is CH2, 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 and NH2. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms, and it is attached to an amine group. So this is lysine. Next is arginine. Arginine's symbol is ARG. Here R group is guanidine. This structure is of guanidine, CH2, CH2, CH2. It is attached to NH. Then carbon atom is attached to double bond NH, and another group is amine. So this structure is of guanidine. So this is arginine structure. Now next amino acid is aspartic acid, whose symbol is ASP, and the R group here is CH2COOH. Next is glutamic acid, whose symbol is GLU, and the R group here is CH2CH2COOH. So the difference between aspartic and glutamic acid is that there is one more CH2 atom in the glutamic acid. And next is asparagine, whose symbol is ASN, and here the R group is CH2CONH2. amide group is there, and glutamine here CH2CH2CONH2. Here the difference between ASN and asparagine and glutamine is that there is one more CH2 group in glutamine as compared to asparagine. Now cysteine. Here the R group is CH2 SS CH2 NH2 COH. This is because two cysteine groups are attached with each other. Two cysteine groups are attached with each other. Like you can see the cysteine molecule. Cysteine molecule is this one. Here the R group was CH2SH. So if we attach another cysteine group, the hydrogen atoms will be replaced and there will be bond between the two sulfur atoms. So here the bond is between two sulfur atoms, and this molecule is of cysteine and this molecule is also of cysteine. So this is the carbon COH NH2. This is the basic structure of any amino acid, and this was the R group of this cysteine group, and this was the R group of another cysteine group, and they become attached and became cysteine. So there is a spelling difference between this. This is cysteine, and that was single molecule was cysteine. So there are 20 amino acids.